Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, Director of Marketing Communications with Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart Spice and Nut Grinder. It does a really fabulous job out of grinding spices and nuts, anything like peppercorns, star anise. Today I'm going to show you how to do some cinnamon sticks. So just so you know, this work bowl that you're going to put your spices in is designed especially for spices and nuts. And the blade has a special design to do a very efficient job at doing that. It's actually made out of stainless steel. It can go right in the dishwasher. We also give you a separate lid that you can, after you're done grinding, you can cover this and store it right in the work bowl. That's really great. So let's go ahead and grind up some cinnamon sticks. I'm just going to break them in half, put the top on, and when you press down on the top, that's going to activate the grinder and it's going to start grinding. Let's check and see if it's done. A little bit more and we'll be there. Smells really, really aromatic. I did this a coarse grind, but if you let it go a little longer, you get a really nice fine powder grind. Look how really, really consistent that is. Like I said, it does a great job for any kind of dry spices or nuts. And if you like to make all your own spice rubs, or if you like to grind your own peppercorns from fresh and you need a lot of them for like a roast that you're going to rub on a big roast, this is a great product for grinding spices and nuts.
You call this fresh? Let me show you fresh. Chef Fabrizio Botero here, introducing our new WSG30 professional spice grinder. Let me show you exactly what it does. Our professional spice grinder comes with 3 stainless steel bowls and lids to cover and keep everything fresh. So first thing we're going to do is do some nutmeg. Very, very hard. Almost like rocks. Look at that. Okay? 2 of them in. Lid on. And grind. What happened to the rocks? You know what happened to the rocks. Perfect. Now the more you grind, the finer you're going to get. Just as hard as nutmeg, cinnamon sticks are an incredible challenge for a spice grinder. But let me show you ours. Just put 3 of them right in the bowl. And the nice thing about this, you can also have a pulse. The flavor is coming right out. You can see the spices turning and grinding to a powder. Fresh, fresh. Any hard spices in the world, you name it, we'll grind it, and the flavor will be fresh. Now when I have some pasta or some pizza, what is better than beautiful hot red pepper flakes? 2 seconds, really. Let me show you. Voila. Again, the pulse feature, and then on, and it's done. Isn't that fabulous? And the flavor is right in here in our spice grinder.